What does autonomy really mean? Autonomy is generally taken to mean either doing things by yourself or doing things without help. However, this is not quite correct when we think about this in relation to the day-to-day life of being a university student. On a very basic level, autonomy can refer to behaviours such as getting your assignment in on time, planning, and being organised. But it also includes quite complex ideas such as being mindful, that is, being in control of the learning process by managing your emotions, having a sense of purpose, and also having a set of positive beliefs about yourself and your strengths and weaknesses as a student. You'll also often hear that autonomy is related to the idea of metacognition. What does this mean? This refers to a capacity to reflect on your personal strengths, your limitations, progress and your achievements, and also making judgments about each of these. Essentially, this means that you can change who you think you are and how you might act or react to certain situations in the future. So autonomy is in fact a very complex concept. Have a think about this. Is there a difference between being a student and being a learner? I think there is a substantial difference between those two concepts, and the difference is defined in terms of autonomy. Being a student is where you are told what to do and then you do it. However, a learner is a student who also takes responsibility for or makes an investment in their learning. Those two ideas are crucial to understanding what autonomy actually is. That is, again, taking responsibility or making an investment in your own learning. The difference between being a student and being a learner is a very important one for you in particular, because you are student teachers. And I would expect that when you're working in classrooms, it is your job to create autonomous learners. To finish this very brief discussion of autonomy, I'd like to leave you with two thoughts. First, autonomy does not mean being isolated and never asking for help. Rather, it's about thinking and analysing how you actually work with different people and in different situations. And secondly, if you were an autonomous learner, you would be listening to what I've just said and you would make some judgment about what it means. You might even wish to contest what I'm saying or ask questions for clarification. What did you do in the last 2 or 3 minutes? I hope this very quick talk about autonomy has provided you with some further information about this interesting, relevant and complex concept. Cut.